Hey, Michael Church with crawlspaceninja.com. And you know what? We always get questions about why we don't use a 20 mil vapor barrier. And if you want to know the reason why, stay tuned. Okay, so there's a lot of misinformation out there about crawl space plastic, crawl space vapor barrier, whatever, vapor retarder. These are all names given to what we use in the crawl space. So a lot of people that we talk to, they ask us, why don't you all use a 20 mil crawl space vapor barrier like your competition does? Well, here's the reason. They are using a what's called a reinforced vapor barrier. Okay, so this is actually two 10 mil vapor barriers with a reinforcement going through it, and it's glued together. Okay, so it's not really a 20 mil vapor barrier, it's two pieces of 10 mil because there are where they got the glue and everything inside of there. What we use is a solid 10 mil vapor barrier. Okay, so we're not gluing anything together, it's one whole piece. It's kind of like the difference between a solid piece of hardwood and a laminate. Okay, now we looked into doing a 20 mil solid piece of vapor barrier, and to be honest, it was so thick it wouldn't even bend. So it was impossible to use in a crawl space. So that's why we stick with a 10 mil, and it can only go as high as a 12 mil vapor barrier to still give it that bendability to work around pillars and go up the walls and all that. As you can see, this piece of vapor barrier is pretty non-bendable because it's two pieces joined together, versus this one is more limp, right? So if you can imagine this being 20 mil, it wouldn't bend at all. It would be straight out because it would be one solid piece versus two 10 mils joined together. So if you really want a 20 mil piece of vapor barrier, you can put two of these down on top of each other if you like. But we just found that the solid piece of vapor barrier is going to be better. Plus you don't have it separating and delaminating and the potential of a cat urine smell from the delamination process and everything else that goes on here, which is why we offer a no cat urine guarantee with our vapor barrier as long as it was installed correctly. So my name is Michael Church with crawlspaceninja.com. I hope that helps, and we hope you make it a happy and blessed day. Thanks for watching. See you later.